y'all, quick little POV tonight. I am recording on the camera, so it's probably not as wide angle as the GoPro, but we got the car dialed in. It is super dirty right now. I still got to take it for a wash. I got an alignment today. I changed like all the suspension parts, tie rods, control arm, tension bars, everything like that. So this thing is driving better than ever, bro. If you boys are thinking about coilovers and you don't want to spend like a crazy amount, I got the ECS one. They are super comfortable, especially now it's all dialed in. Yeah, the ride quality is actually really good. I've heard that it's a competitor to the BC one. I don't know what those feel like, but this is pretty good. And my friend also got the same one. His review on it is also good. Gas prices are insane. This is the first or second fill up since the prices went up too. So that's how y'all know I really haven't been driving. But you guys saw from the last video, I drove that crazy M4 CSL. And the video before that, I was like in an F82. A lot of crazy stuff happening, bro, with these cars. As the car season rolls in, I cannot complain. Guy. But let me know if you guys like the POV with the camera. I could probably get like a chest mount or something. I also think I need a wider lens. This is fully zoomed out. This like zoomed in. But yeah, I think I needed some wider lens for this. I'm gonna install the flex fuel kit, and after that, like I'm probably gonna run some E40 for maybe like a week or something. And damn, that should sound crazy. After that, I'm gonna be ordering my turbo. It's either gonna be a 67, 69, like y'all saw my boys on like 2 videos ago, or I'm gonna be getting a top mount, bro. I don't know, but I'm definitely upgrading the turbo like real soon on this thing. Bro, it feels so good to be driving this thing the way it should be driven again. It's been so long since it's been fully dialed in and everything. But yeah, thank y'all boys for watching this video again. Catch y'all in the next one. I think it's gonna be like me installing the flex fuel kit probably, but we'll see. Hopefully we'll be running some E40 soon again.